Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today we are going to make cold pressed avocado. We have only one ingredient in this video, and that is avocado. You need to get the very ripe one. If you want to get more oil, get the very ripe one. So you cut them, you open them into pieces, or you just cut them open, and then so this is the third one, is what I'm talking about, the very ripe one. I wanted to check whether there are no bacteria or no maggot in it. That's why I put it aside first. So I checked and there wasn't any maggot in it, so I added it to the avocado. So after removing it, or after scooping it out from its skin, I then mashed it. I mash it very well. And please, when you mash it, after mashing it, don't put it in the sun. If you want more oil, or the best way is to keep it inside or where there's no sun, so that you keep stirring it day by day to make sure that the whole thing has turned brown or dark. I didn't have my time, I was traveling, so I put it in the sun for 2 days to make sure that it is dry before I then continued. But if you have time, don't put it in the sun. At least if you keep it in your room, kwata, by 5-6 days, it will be okay for you to squeeze the oil. So I now did the double boiler method. I put it in a boiling water to make sure that the oil in it just heats up. Then after that, I sieved it in a cloth. You can have your handkerchief or your scarf or anything just to squeeze the oil out. So after going through all this stress, this is the little oil I got. That's why avocado oils are very expensive. When you go to buy it, it's very expensive, because after going through all the process, you get just a little from it. So thank you all for watching my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. As part of our oils to make our body butters, this is one of it. So see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.